we're finally getting around to installing the 128 gigs of RAM that we bought for this Dell server a while ago. So we've got 16 sticks of 8 gigs, and they all go in this now. Let's see here. It's pretty cool. The fans just slide right out. And where do we find... there. Just a little thing. And, well, we're going to have to find a way to lay this down. Yeah! That's what happens when you try to do this with one hand. So we have... what do we have? We have 16 gigs in there already, and so they have to be matched up there and there. So we're gonna start putting them in. One. 2. So we're now back to where we were. And these are all, as far as I know, they're all the same. Samsung. They should be all the same anyways. And I mean, we can put, I don't have to alternate between the two while I'm putting them in, I suppose, but nice satisfying click. And we'll put those up here. Right, getting there. Takes a while. There. One more for this bank. All right. There. And we should go over here. Oh, here. There we go. Here we're still gonna have a few extra. Okay, we still have 4 of the new sticks plus 2 of the original ones. So we're gonna want to put, I believe we're gonna want to start in the green here. Put 1, 2, and 3. There. And then we're going to want to start on this end. They're all color coded too, which is kind of cool. So we can put this guy here. So we'll actually have, what is 128 plus 16? Oh boy, math ain't mathin' today. But that's what we'll have. So, now that we've got them all in, and there, put it in the right way maybe. It's in the right way. There we go. So, in the next video, we'll see if we can get it booted up.